Outsourcing cost decision problem 3. Fruit basket company manufactures fruit baskets. The basket component, not including the fruit, is made in-house. Details of the baskets are as follows. Volume, 900 units per month. Variable cost per unit, $7 per unit. Fixed costs, $16,000 per month. A foreign factory has offered to supply fruit basket company with ready-made baskets for a price of $12 per basket. Assume that fruit basket company's fixed costs are unavoidable, but that fruit basket company should use the vacated production facilities to earn an additional $8,500 of profit per month. If fruit basket company decides to outsource, monthly operating income will increase by how much? So this is an outsourcing question. We're told if fruit basket company decides to outsource. So right there, boom, you know this is an outsourcing question. Monthly operating income will increase. That's one thing to understand, is that we're looking at increase. So the question is even hinting at the direction that it will go, and it's asking how much. How much will increase by? We're given the volume, 900 units per month, variable cost per unit of $7 per unit, fixed cost $16,000 per month, and we're told that we can buy the basket, outsource it, and buy it from a foreign company for $12 per basket. The idea here is the fruit basket. We've got the fruit, we've got the basket, and the basket component. We're seeing if we should outsource that or just make it in-house. We're also told that if we go with outsourcing, the fixed costs are unavoidable, which means that there will be no change to the fixed costs. $16,000 per month will stay the same. It will be the same before or after, whether we're making it in-house or we're outsourcing it. So that right there is given to us. That's given. We're also told, though, that from an opportunity cost standpoint, that if fruit basket company does no longer, they outsource, they no longer make it in-house, they can basically earn $8,500 per month additional profit by using the vacated facilities with other activity. So that's an opportunity cost there. So really, we've got everything we need. We know that it's going to be 900 units per month. We know the variable costs. So let's look at the savings. The best way to do outsourcing questions is looking at either the current situation versus outsourcing and seeing which one saves money, or just looking at the savings. That's how I like to do it, because it's more of a differential approach. We take the number of units, so variable costs. We take the number of units, 900. We multiply that by the $7 per unit. We would save $6,300 in total. We're going to add other things, but from the variable costs. No change in fixed costs. So fixed costs stay the same, so we're just going to put a 0 there. So no change in fixed costs. They're unavoidable. So fixed costs, no change, no savings there. Opportunity costs. Opportunity costs, we can get an additional $8,500 if we are outsourcing it, because we can use that space. Now, we have to also factor in the cost that's going to be to pay this outsourcing company, which is $12 per unit. So it's going to be the savings minus the cost to outsource. That's going to be your formula if you're looking at the differential, the cost to outsource. That is the differential analysis. You take the savings of the variable costs, fixed costs, and if there's opportunity costs involved, you add all those up. Those are all going to be pluses. And then you're going to subtract away the cost to outsource, which here we have 900 units. 900 units, and it's going to be $12 per month. So 900 times $12, that's going to equal $10,800. That's going to be a subtraction because, again, we're subtracting away the cost. Now, if we add up the variable costs plus fixed cost of 0 plus opportunity cost, subtract away the cost to outsource, we're going to get savings of $4,000. And that means that our operating income, which is what this question is asking, will increase by $4,000. So $4,000 is the increase to operating income if we outsource. So the answer here is we should go ahead and we should outsource, because we would save $4,000. We would save $4,000. So that's really everything here. And again, you go through, analyze it, differential analysis. Differential analysis, again, you're looking at the savings minus the cost to outsource, and you get that change, and that's going to be, if it's positive, it's going to increase your profit or operating income by that amount. If it's negative, it's going to reduce operating income or profit by that amount.